here is Eye of God destination. You see behind me. Gioc Waterfalls, as here I am. See, that's how powerful of the waterfall is behind me. Nguom Ngao Cave, Cao Bang. Another destination to explore over here. Let's follow our foot to move further inside here. Mystery is beautiful.
Yes, I did.
So next time you enjoy the exploration for 1.5 hours?
Yes, we will.
All right, so you're welcome back then. Bye.